Hi everyone, in this video let us see how you can manage your entire team directly from WhatsApp using Taskbot. So there is no need to install a separate task management app or switch between multiple tools, and it can be done everything through WhatsApp automatically. So to get started you have to simply open the chat and send a message stating hi. Taskbot will instantly welcome you and begin the workspace setup process. You do not have to go anywhere else to manually log in. Your login has been done and you just have to set up your workspace by entering a name. So over here, let's write our workspace name. And within seconds, your workspace will be created automatically. Once the workspace is ready, Taskbot introduces a powerful features that makes it unique, voice-based productivity. Instead of navigating through complicated menus, you can interact naturally using voice notes. So over here, you will get an option to invite your team members. If I click on yes, I will be redirected to the invite member option. I will enter the phone number and click on send invitation. So the invitation to the team member has been sent automatically. Now, once your team is ready, Taskbot will present a menu of actions that are available inside WhatsApp. So I will send hi again and I will get multiple options. So let's choose assign task. While assigning a task, there are two options which you can choose. First is audio assignment. With audio, you can simply record a voice note describing the task. You can say who the task should be assigned to, what should be done, and what is the deadline. So the taskbot will understand the instruction and process it automatically. Let us see how you can create a task through voice note. So for that, we will select assign task and click on send. So we have got an option to choose whether we want to make it in this workspace only. So I will click on yes. Now we have got an example how we can create the task. So let's leave a voice note. Assign a task to myself to complete the sales report and update it till evening 6 p.m. So my voice note has been sent. Now let's see what we will get as an outcome. So you can see our task message has come that complete the sales report and update it. And we have got the date, the priority and time 6 p.m. as I mentioned, assigned to myself and created by also it is mentioned. Now if I want to confirm this, I'll click on confirm. So the task has been completed and it is live. Now till the time of the completion, I will get timely reminders. If it goes overdue, I will also be reminded regarding it. And this can be used in multiple languages. There is no language barrier that you have to use English only. So let's create one task in Hindi as well. मुझे खुद को एक टास्क असाइन करो कि मुझे आज शाम 6 बजे तक सेल्स के रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट करके उसे अपडेट करना है. So you can see we have left the voice note in Hindi. So you can see our task has been created. सेल्स के रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट करके उसे अपडेट करना है आज शाम 6 बजे तक, and it is given to Swayam means myself, made by also me, and I will confirm it. So you can see how convenient it is to use Taskbot through voice note. And the second option is form. So Taskbot provides a task creation form where all task details can be entered. So we'll click on form. In the form, all the details can be entered in an organized manner. This gives teams flexibility to choose whichever workflow fits their process. Now, beyond task creation, Taskbot also helps to organize your workforce through departments. So let's enter hi and we will get options. So there are multiple options such as adding departments, adding members, as we had invited the team member earlier, and also to change the workspace. So let's create add department and you will be redirected to the department section of the Taskbot, and from there you can create the dedicated department for different functions such as sales, marketing, HR, operations, support, or development. Departments make it easier to assign responsibilities and maintain accountability across teams. And this is just the beginning. Everything you're seeing in WhatsApp is connected with complete productivity platform behind the scenes. You can manage tasks, projects, departments, team members, approvals, notifications, reports, workload management, automation, integration, activity tracking, templates, and much more from WhatsApp only. And the powerful part is that your team does not need to learn a new system. They can create tasks, receive tasks, complete tasks, check the workload, collaborate directly from the WhatsApp interface they already use every day. So whether you're managing a small team or scaling a large organization, this will transform WhatsApp into a complete workspace for productivity, collaboration, and task management. So getting started is as simple as sending one message, which is hi. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.